Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write an authorization letter for a vehicle. What is an authorization letter for a vehicle? A vehicle authorization letter is a formal document that grants permission to another individual or entity to use, drive, or manage a specific vehicle on behalf of the owner. This letter typically includes details about the vehicle, the person being authorized, the duration of the authorization, and any specific terms or conditions related to the use of the vehicle. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write an authorization letter for a vehicle step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write your full name. Under it, write your home address. Don't forget to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And you can also give your contact information like phone number and email address. After that, write the date of the letter. It is the date when you write the letter, with the format of month, date, and year. For the next, write the information about the recipient. Write the recipient's full name and their occupation in the organization or company. If you have no idea, it is okay to direct it to the company or organization name. Under it, write the address of the company or organization. Mention the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. And now, you can open the letter with a formal salutation. Since you have no idea about their name, you may simply write, "Dear Sir or Madam," or "to whom it may concern." In the first paragraph, this is an introduction part. Here, you can write an introduction of the sender. This should contain a brief statement identifying yourself as the vehicle owner. Along with that, write also the purpose of the letter. You need to write a clear and direct statement of your intent to authorize another person to use your vehicle. This is the example how you write the first paragraph. I, James Wilson, the legal owner of the vehicle described below, hereby authorize Sarah Thompson to use my vehicle as specified in this letter. After stating that, now you need to give vehicle details. There are some points that you need to write. You can write these in the bullet points. The first point is make. It is the manufacturer of the vehicle to specify the brand. The second one is model. The specific model to identify the vehicle. The third one is year. The year of manufacture, which indicates the vehicle's age. The fourth is color. The color of the vehicle for visual identification. The fifth is license plate number. The official plate number for registration and identification purposes. And the last one is VIN, or vehicle identification number. A unique identifier for the vehicle to prevent confusion with similar models. Here is how you write all the details. Vehicle details. Make, Toyota. Model, Camry. Year, 2018. Color, silver. License plate number, TX1234 AB. VIN, vehicle identification number, 4T1BF1FK5HU12345+6. In the second paragraph, this is where you talk about authorization details. You need to give information about the authorized person. In this section, write the full name and identification number of the person being authorized. Along with it, write also the duration of authorization. It is the specific period during which the authorization is valid. And here is the example how you write this part. I grant Sarah Thompson, holding identification number TX987654321, the authorization to operate the vehicle, for the purpose of personal use, from October 25, 2024, to November 25, 2024. In the third paragraph, this is where you talk about scope of usage. It means, the paragraph needs to contain a description of what the authorized person is permitted to do with the vehicle, including any limitations. For example, you can mention the maintenance responsibility. Elaborate the conditions regarding the maintenance and care of the vehicle. In case you have no idea what to write, you may consider to copy this. This authorization includes the ability to drive the vehicle within the state borders of Texas and perform necessary actions related to the specified purpose, including but not limited to refueling, minor maintenance, and utilizing the vehicle for transportation to and from specified locations. In the fourth paragraph, this will be about terms and conditions. Here, you need to state the legal adherence. Yes, it is a statement requiring the authorized person to comply with all relevant laws and regulations. By doing so, you can include the maintenance responsibility. Write the conditions regarding the maintenance and care of the vehicle. And write also the purpose limitation. It is the restrictions on the use of the vehicle to ensure it aligns with your intentions. The paragraph will be like this. Please note that this authorization is granted with the understanding that Sarah Thompson will adhere to all relevant traffic laws and regulations, maintain the vehicle in good condition, and ensure that the vehicle is used only for the purposes stated in this letter. In the fifth paragraph, this is the section for emergency contact information. Of course, you need to give your contact information like your phone number and email address. This is for any issues or emergencies that may arise during the authorized period. And here is how you write it. Should any issues or emergencies arise concerning the vehicle, or its use under this authorization, I can be contacted directly at 555-456-7890, or james.wilson@email.com. In the last paragraph, which is conclusion part, you can then give your acknowledgement and trust. It is a closing statement thanking the recipient, and expressing confidence that the letter will serve its intended purpose. Here you can write something like, "Thank you for acknowledging this authorization. I trust that this letter will suffice for all intents and purposes related to the authorized use of my vehicle by Sarah Thompson." And finally, you can close the letter with "Sincerely." Add your signature, and write your full name under it. So, that's how you write the authorization letter for a vehicle step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.